So once again, our heating element has burned out. And this is a relatively new one, but once again, we're dealing with, what, Chinese parts? This particular one I ordered from a different company. And again, we've got the 1/4-inch screws to take the heating element out. We need to unhook these 2 wires, and we'll get to those in a minute. But you've got one on each side that holds in the heating element. I don't know how this could have burned out so quickly, unless it was just cheap junk. Pull it down, and that exposes our heating element. And if you look here, it looks burnt. Go ahead and pull the wires off of here. So remember, red goes to our top one right here. Orange goes to our bottom one right here, and then this is our output. These units are made for multiple machines, but if you look in here, you can see it looks burnt. Very badly burnt. And it shouldn't be that bad. But basically what happens is your power comes in this side, this all heats up like a toaster. It's way down. This looks broken right here. But what you should be able to do is get continuity from one end to the other. And in this particular case, we're not. So I'll show you here real quick. Pay attention to the meter, if you can see it. If you touch these two together, it should form a circuit. And that's what gives us our reading. And clearly, nothing is happening. So you can almost go down this thing and figure out where the break is at by just see how you touch that. It's giving us continuity. Let me untangle these two. Get them apart a little bit more. So we can almost go down the whole thing and figure out where the break is. We got continuity all the way through here. So odds are it's behind it. And the way these come out is these little tabs just fold like so. And I didn't bring my needle nose, and I should have. We've got these little tabs. So let me go get my needle nose. So the kit that I buy comes with everything, because you never know what's going to go wrong. You can always have extra parts. No issues with that. But as you can see, it's our new heating coil, and it's exactly the same thing. Now you'll notice how these are all straight. That's how these started out life, was straight. So clearly, this is cheap garbage is what it is, because they're bending and just creating a nightmare. But here in this area, you can see how it's all burned. So that's definitely either the front or the back, or they heated up so much that they actually shrunk, which is not a good thing. So our new heating element comes with our plug-in here, just like this has. And all you have to do is put this in place here.